Hey guys, today I'm working with a KitchenAid French door with bottom freezer refrigerator, and I've got it all hooked up. It's been running for a few days out here, working perfectly. I went ahead and hooked the water line up a few hours ago, and it's already dropped some ice, and I'm going to show you that all of that works. But first I'm going to show you that our temperatures are correct on the inside. So you can see it's pretty hot out here in the garage. We'll open this up. And this temperature gun, right in between those two red dots, it's going to take its surface temperature measurement. Get my words straightened out there, but you can see it's nice and cold everywhere we shine this guy here, and it's supposed to be about 32 in there, and it's coming in just about right where it's supposed to be. And of course the temperature goes down a little bit, or I should say go up a little bit when you start fanning these doors, but it's right where it's supposed to be. I believe I have it set at 38. And then I will show you the freezer. Right here. It's about 0 there. And about -4. Now I believe I have the freezer set at -4. So for it to be fluctuating right between, say, 0 and -4 is about perfect. And then right up here, I also like to show that all of this is working perfectly. Some pretty cool functions on this. So let me show you that real quick. I use this big bucket so I don't have to keep dumping it, but we've got the water. It actually counts out the water in ounces, which is pretty neat. Of course, then over here on ice you have cubed or crushed. It's got about a batch or two in there right now. So there you go. You can see all that works. I want to show you this real fast because we use this all the time. So 8 ounces, and then without pushing the paddle, let's see if I can do this with 2 hands here. You just hit go, and it will dispense, and I'll make a mess here, but it'll dispense the water. So you can just set your cup there, or measuring cup if you're cooking, hit how many ounces you want, hit go, and then it stops when it's done. Pretty awesome. We have a fridge almost exactly like this, and we use that all the time, especially with the kids. So then you just hit back. All of this works perfect. You can see the light works. And I think dim here, when you hit these guys, it turns it on. So, and then you can turn it off. Tons of other options. All that, so if you want the owner's manual, all that can be found online. Otherwise, excellent shape. You get a good look at it here, and go ahead, if you're interested, read through the post description. There's lots of details in there. Also my policies on sales and everything. So if you have any questions beyond that, feel free to reach out. This one is 29 cubic feet. And like I said, all the details will be in the listing, but I wanted to show you so that you know without a shadow of a doubt, everything works perfect. Holds the temperature, and I always let them set for several days before they get listed up for sale. And I'll have it plugged up so that when you get here, if you're interested in buying it, you can check it all out in person too. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.